Hi nail fam! So some new liner brushes came in the mail for me and I was able to try them out in this very detailed nail design. So if you want to see how I did this, please keep on watching. Hi nail fam, I hope that you are doing well. It's your girl TiaBellaBeauty, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. So we're going to be doing some nail art today. I've already applied my iMethod base coat as well as some polygel on my nails, but before we get into the actual design, I wanted to unbox and share with you these nail art tools that I was sent to from this brand called Vaga. And I came across them on Facebook, and they are the world's favorite nail art brand, self-acclaimed. And this is their website. Now, unfortunately, there is no information on the website as yet, but I will link their Facebook page, which is where I first discovered them. So they did send me a stamping tool. This is like a jelly stamping tool. That's the top part of it, which is very sticky. I didn't know that. And then it also comes with this little scraper tool. Now, I have never, ever used anything remotely similar to this product. So this is actually going to be my first time trying out a stamping tool. It looks really cool though, I will tell you that. But as with everything, there is a learning curve to it. So I'll be very happy to see how I get on with the stamping tool. Now, this jelly stamper tool and the scraper goes with this stamping plate. Now, they did send me a jumbo stamping plate. It is branded in their Vaga brand and has information on the sleeve there. And it also has this like blue protective covering on it, but it has so many unique designs on this plate. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel off this covering and then show you the wonderful designs on this. Wow, look at all of these designs. Like, wow. So in total, there are about 49 designs, 7 across and 7 horizontally and seven vertically. So 7 by 7 is 49. I still remember my math. So yes, so some interesting designs on this, and they go with this stamping jelly stamper and then the scraper. So you put the gel polish on and then you scrape it off. So I don't know. Please don't laugh at me, because obviously you might have some pros that are quite familiar with how this stamping work. So let's move on to these last two products that they sent over to me. And this is a set of pink rhinestones, flat back rhinestones, and there is quite a variety in here. What I will say is this rhinestone container is so strong, and none of these are coming out anytime soon. I took me a while to actually pry this open. That's how strong this was. But the rhinestones are pretty. They are pink, which is nice and girly. So I'm looking forward to trying these out and seeing what kind of designs I can come up with them. Now, the star of the show is going to be these liner brushes. I am completely impressed with them. They worked perfectly for me, and you guys remember that I had mentioned that I was looking for some liner brushes and that I wanted to improve my line work on my nails, and lo and behold, these brushes came out, and I completely forgot that these were being sent to me. So I'm ecstatic, especially this long one here, because previous commenters on my videos as well as some other YouTubers did mention that the longer the liner brush is, the better your lines are going to be, especially when you are doing intricate designs, as I am going to be trying out today in this video. So it comes with 3 brushes in different lengths, and they would be for different uses. And then this is just the complete kit of what they've sent me. So thank you so much to Vaga for sending me these nail art tools. I will be using them and showing you guys in subsequent videos. So now let's get started on this very detailed nail design, and I'm just going to go ahead and file around my cuticle area and buff my nails to remove that shine, following which I'm going to remove that with my dusting brush and apply some isopropyl alcohol And after I'm done with that, then I'm going to go in with my iMethod base gel and cure this under my UV lamp. So the first gel polish that I'm going in is this 112, and this is from the brand iMethod Beauty, and this is from their classic and exclusive collection. So this is going to be the base color on my thumb. All of the gel polishes that I am using in today's video is from iMethod Beauty. I do have a discount code with them. I will have that listed down in the description. So now that I've applied 2 coats and cured my nail, I'm now going in with this 108, which is kind of like a dusty coastal blue. And I'm going to take my Vaga extra long liner brush and start to apply that around my nail. So this is going to be in a French design in this beautiful blue. And what I like to do is to take my liner brush and just dip it into a small little bead of that gel polish and apply 3 dots on my nail to kind of line the area where I want my French to be. So after I've already had my line and got my boundaries in place, then I can just go in and paint the rest of my nails. After I have painted these, then I'm going to cure these under my UV lamp and then go in with a second coat. Okay, so the tedious part, or I should say the long part of this nail design is actually going in with different gel polish colors onto this nail. So I'm going to be taking dots of different colors and then taking my medium-sized Vaga nail art brush and just draw some lines and some circles and some patches of gel polish on different areas of this nail. Okay, so my first color is done, and now I'm going to go in with my second color, and it's going to be this 127 blue. And again, I'm just going to apply a dot onto my little dish and then use my striper, my liner brush, and kind of circle over the green. So I'm going to create like a blue border around the green. And I do this consistently with the different polishes. So I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to let you watch and see how this design actually comes to life. So now that all of the main base colors are done, I'm just going to go ahead in with this glittery kind of gold gel polish just to add a little bit of highlight and accent to these colors. And so here is how the nail is looking once I have cured. Now let's add some iMethod top gel to this nail just to secure this design in, as I am completely done with this nail, and then I would cure this under my UV lamp and then move on to my next nail. So for my index, my middle, and also my pinky finger, I will be going in with one of the main colors that I used on my thumb. I'm going to paint the entire nail, just leaving a small area at the base of my nail. And then I'm going to take my blending kind of tool brush that I got from Amazon and kind of just blend this down just to create a kind of ombre on these nails. Once I've done 2 layers of the gel polishes on those fingers, then I just seal in the design with applying some top coat. So for my ring finger, I'm actually going to go ahead and apply the gold glittery gel polish over all of this nail in contrast to the other nails. So this is actually going to be a little bit of an accent. And on this particular nail is where I also do the kind of swirly pattern, but it's like a separated French. I've tried to do a separated French before 2 or 3 videos back with that purple nail, if you remember that. So again, I'm going to try to do something similar to that, but make it a little bit different. So once I have the French color down, then I go in with different colors and making little swirls and patterns all over the nail until I am completely satisfied with how it looks. Once I am done, I do cure after each color and I put that under my UV lamp and top coat the entire nail. So after I finish top coating these nails, I am going to go in with a little bit of rhinestones and adding some caviar beads from Charlie's Nail Art to complete this look. And here is the final look of these nails. Now, would you believe that when I was doing these nails, I had no idea what I was doing? And I say that in every single video because it's absolutely the truth. I don't know. Okay, so let me know what you think of these nails down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.